Hello traders, today is the 18th of December 2010 and this video is about uh, Alcoa. Alcoa, a stock listed on the Dow Jones Index, Epic AA, okay, Alcoa, okay. As you can see on this chart here, Alcoa went in a downtrend and then went into consolidation period, okay. This is the same story over and over again, okay. So like I said to you, from 2011 we will be busy creaming the stock market, okay. So that's our promise, okay. Because we have the tools, the TSTW24 trading system, the TSTWSY08 trading system, and coming up in 2011, April 2011, the TSTWSYS008. The TSTW 24 is for consistency, okay, consistent winning trend, and the TSTWSYS08 is about unfair advantage trading, and the TSTWSYS008 is about game changing, okay. I'm a bit excited about the TSTW because when I started trading first, I was losing consistently and abundantly. Okay, so you can imagine how excited I am when I build carefully the TSTW24 and all the other TSTW. It has given me this kind of confidence where I know exactly my setup and what to look for. Okay, and I have the filter that I should look for when I'm facing a fake bullish signal or a fake a bearish signal. So you know straight away that this is a fake one. When people are selling, you are buying nicely, okay, and vice versa. This is about the unfair advantage with the TSTW trading systems, okay. So this stock went down, okay. The Alcoa stock went down, okay. It's listed on Dow Jones Index, went down, and then went into a consolidation period, okay. The same story, like I said before, is the same thing over and over, okay. The market pattern, trend, pulse, trend, okay. That's exactly what we have again here. The market trend to the downside. Now it went into the consolidation period in this session here. The price was squeezed between two levels here, and then it break out of the consolidation right there. And the first wave is this one here. What I will do again, I will go through the process as always. You see, this is the method of the professional traders. So the first wave has started, ended here. Okay, that's the first Elliott wave that came out of the consolidation zone, and then we have the pullback to this level here in order to measure how far the third wave will go, which is this one. The third wave is here to this level here. I believe the third wave is not finished yet. The third wave should continue all the way to this level here, okay. Even though if we use our estimation using the Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci projection, some people will say Fibonacci projection, some people may say Fibonacci extension. Our extension has ended somewhere here, but as always, the smart money will look for a better resistance level, which means you can see the two red candles here. Some traders took their profit, start selling in order to create the fourth wave, but the smart money is not prepared to sell here. They want to sell at this resistance level here where my cursor is, which is a better resistance level. What I will do, I will draw another horizontal line at the point of the better resistance level. This is one thing you need to remember. If you want to sell at the best price, okay. This is the key. You want to sell at the best price, and if you want to buy also at the best price. This is why you have to go into. Anytime you want to sell at one particular point, you must look up a bit to see whether there is a better place to sell. So the smart money knew that those people have a valid reason to sell here, but they are not prepared to sell here. They want to sell at a better place, which is right here. With the TSTW24 trading system, you will know clearly that it's not yet time to sell, but you can decide clearly to take your profit at this level here if you do not want to take part of all the blah blah blah, bringing it to this level here. But you will note, but if you want to remain into the trade to bring it all the way here, like the smart money, you might tighten up your stop loss, bringing your stop loss very close to where the price is in order to box in all your profit. Okay, that's about this is about managing your trade. So we will check carefully how much profit the first wave people have taken, those who bought it here, the price went all the way here, how much profit they have taken in this session of the second wave. We will use the Fibonacci retracement tool to measure, which is a tool of measurement to measure how much profit these people have taken. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my Fibonacci projection. Okay, bear with me. I will change the color here before I do that. I will use in this particular case, I will use the green one here. I think green looks beautiful on this chart. Okay, so I will draw my Fibonacci retracement to measure how much profit these people have taken up to this point. Okay, it's coming up. They have taken, looking at my chart here, where are we? They have taken 50% Fibonacci retracement level. This horizontal line here is, if you look up to this level here, at the far left hand side of the chart, you will see the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. What I will do, I will remove my Fibonacci retracement drawing on this chart, and I will put a line where the retracement has ended. Now we know that they took 50% of their profit. That's all I want to know with this Fibonacci retracement tool. Now I have the information, which means they have taken 50% of their profit. Okay, having taken 50% of their profit. Okay, having taken 50% of their profit. Okay, bear with me when I'm putting everything back to normal on this chart for you. Okay, bear with me when I put everything back to normal again. Okay, now this is it. My apology for all the mess that has come on the screen right now. So what I will do, I will remove my Fibonacci drawing on this chart. Okay, in order to draw now on this chart the the Fibonacci extension. Okay, I want to draw the Fibonacci extension on this chart. Okay, okay, bear with me. I will draw the Fibonacci extension on this chart. Okay, that's it. Now, because the price has retraced up to 50% of the move of the first wave were all the way here, they took 50% of their profit. According to the Fibonacci extension or the Fibonacci projection, the price has a high probability after breaking this high here. This is where you have to pay attention to. The price must break this high before you can even think of your target. This level here, right there, where the first wave has ended, the price must break it according to the uptrend definition. It must break this one and continue the movement beyond that to display a new higher high. Okay, according to the definition of the uptrend. After this high here is taken out, so when you are entering the third wave, some traders, if you are using a TSTW24 trading system, you will know that this is a valid point to enter instead of gambling just to enter the trade, only to see the trade going down. With the TSTW24 trading system, we have a clear-cut fit filter that gives us the unfair advantage. You will take two positions at this point here, at the beginning of the third area wave. You will close the first position at this point here where the price reach this level here, and you will let the rest run to the target level. That's how you will manage your trade. It's very important to know also how to manage your trade. Once you enter the trade, you must know where you want to take the first profit and the second profit, where how you're going to remain in the trade, the strategy and the plan to remain in the trade and to exit the trade is very, very important. In all conditions, we recommend highly for every trade, a trader must use a stop loss, not only a stop loss, but a guarantee stop loss. Very important. So you know exactly how much damage the trade can cause to your account in case the trade has the price has changed direction without warning. Okay, this is very, very important. Also, trading, you will only expose only 5% of your whole trading account. So if you open 10 trades, the total amount of those 10 trades, it must not exceed 5% of your whole trading account. If you are using a leverage of 10%, you must only use 0.5% of your trading account. Somebody using a 10 to 1 must only use 0.5% of their trading account. If you are not using the leverage, you must only use 5% of your trading account. So when you are considering how much you should risk in all trades. Okay, you must take into consideration the leverage that you are using. Somebody who is using 100 to 1 leverage, which is completely crazy in my view, must consider how much risk he's willing to take before he receives a margin call or his account is completely wiped away. This is about risk management and a trade management. So at this point here, when the third areaway has begun, we know that according to areaway extension, because the price retraces to the 50%, the next price target is 1 to 7%. Some trader will say 138%. In my view, in my humble conservative view, because I'm always happy to take my profit, as soon as I see that I have a reasonable profit and I don't want to risk anymore, I will take my profit by all means. I'm in a business to bank my profit constantly. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so the first target for the 50% is 1 to 7%. Okay, some trader will say 138, some people will say it can go even to 161%. But if you retrace 50%, the highest probability is that the price will tend to reach the 1 to 7% Fibonacci extension zone or Fibonacci projection zone. In this particular case, the price went all the way to 150%. 150, it passed the 1 to 7, it passed the 138, it passed the 150, and now it passed the 161%, which is somewhere here also, because the smart money is looking for opportunity to bring the price to the best resistance level, which is right here at the top. Okay, so if you want to sell somewhere at the top of the third area wave, you must look up also, and if you are using the TSTW24, you will wait until the TSTW24 trading system has given you a clear cut selling signal. Those who are using the TSTWSYS08 will perfectly trade each day. Okay, a swing trade, and they will trade this red day. That's what we call a red day. Okay, the price is going up, they know that it's going up, but there is a TSTWSYS08 traders will trade each move, each candle. Okay, this red day they will trade it down, they will trade this one down, they will trade this one up, they will trade this one also up. This is what we call the unfair advantage of the TSTWSYS08. This is about timing your trend. So after we notice that we are talking about Alcoa, okay, stock, Epic AA listed on the Dow Jones, the price is in the third area wave. The third area wave in fact should end somewhere here, but the smart money is bringing the price to the best resistance level. That remains to be seen whether they will bring it all the way here or they will dump it before that. But as you can see, we are at the end of the third area wave. Okay, we are at the end of the end of the third area wave. We are expecting the price to find a resistance somewhere here between where it is now up to this yellow line, and to give us the fourth area wave. Okay, if there is no market manipulation, no crazy traders in this zone, so to speak. Okay, because some traders will come in late to try to push a big further, so you need to wait for all this activity. This is about respecting and paying attention to other traders in the market, and nothing is guaranteed, nothing is 1 plus 1 is 2 in the market, so you must carefully know how to play. When we are trading the fourth area wave, we do not swing trade, we are day trading each day in order to take our profit each time. Okay, so because the smart money will make their money in the third area wave, which is particularly this case, and then they will take their profit, and when the fourth area wave has begun, Even going to the fifth Elliott wave, they will start to selling again in order to display the ABC correction according to Elliott wave. If you want to know more about Elliott wave, you need to go to www.24elliottwaves.com, www.digit2 digit 4 Elliott waves in plural.com, in order to master once and for all the subject of Elliott wave. This is about trading Alcoa Epic AA listed on the Dow Jones Index. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will come and join us and become a TSTWSYS08 traders. We wish you the very best in your trading. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Speak to you soon.